Nice, right, get yourself ready.
Ah.
Today we've got Eduardo in for test. Eduardo. First attempt. Should have, if you had a couple more lessons, I would have been very confident of a first time pass with no more than 1 minor full, but
Yeah.
things have been pushed. He got himself found a cancellation, didn't you?
Yeah.
You did. Good. Right, get yourself ready then. Have you any questions before we start?
Let me think.
Go on then, off you go. Can it write all that name in me book?
It wasn't.
You got all your mirrors done?
Sorry? My mirrors,
All
yeah.
your mirrors? Good. Off you go. What's the date today? 4th of June?
4th, yeah.
Remember to look all round when
Yeah.
you come off in the car parks. Did you get a good night's sleep?
Yeah, I think so.
You had a driving lesson last night, nearly wiped us out at roundabout, didn't you?
Nah, I was tired, in my defense.
Who dropped you off this morning then, you mate?
Hmm?
Who dropped you off this morning?
Yeah, my mate. After this, we're gonna go to a park with the daughters.
Gonna go where?
A park. They have, a soft park with the daughters.
The who?
Soft park.
What's one of them?
It's like when they jump and the stuff and blah blah blah. Yeah, it's just a playground for kids, basically.
So you're going to a playground for kids after this?
Yeah, because his wife went to London to a concert, so he wants to try to get tired the kids. Because
Right.
Yeah.
So you're taking some kids to the park?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because if not, at night it's gonna be a nightmare to make them asleep.
Which park are you going to then?
On Seaham, I think it is. I'm not sure.
There's one just across the road.
Yeah. Ah, well, I didn't know. We didn't know. Maybe we go there.
Yeah, there's a park across the road. It's got all the little.
But that's an outdoor park, right? It's an outdoor park.
Yes.
Nah, he wants to go to an indoor.
Well, there's a trampoline park just along the road there, in Infinite Air,
Alright.
where they bounce on the trampolines.
Alright.
That's
I'll check. I'll check after this.
it's just just along the road. I hope you're not going to the park with a face like a smug backside.
Let's hope not.
I hope you grin like a Cheshire cat.
Yeah.
But who knows you've got your driving test?
Who knows?
Who knows?
Just people who are with a little, like my friend, his wife.
Did they give you any advice? Be cool.
No, just don't be so nervous, because they watched the video and they told me, dude, you made those mistakes because you were nervous. That's it. and it's true, to be frank. Not all of them, I know, but many of them were just, I don't know, you just.
Yeah, you don't.
nervous.
Brain doesn't work when you get nervous, does it?
You forgot many things. Literally, like the mind just go like a blackout. Yeah.
Did they laugh at your video?
My laugh on the video.
Did your friends laugh at the video?
Yeah, of course. Yesterday we watched the video like, I don't know, 2 or 3 times.
I could think of better things to do.
I don't know.
What's the driving test like in your country?
Like for example with the mirrors,
No.
they didn't tell you need to check the mirrors for a sign. Nah, they tell you it's like 50%, 25, 25.
Right.
So that's why I'm telling you, at the beginning with the mirrors for me was different.
Yeah,
like it's not the same.
So how long does the driving test last in Venezuela?
30 minutes as well.
Is
25,
it?
yeah, it's not that long.
What's the pass rate like over there? Is it good?
Well, I passed on the second one.
The second one?
Yeah.
How did you feel the first one?
do you remember I told you over there we don't have like roundabouts? I mean, we do have roundabouts, but not like here, like Over there we have I don't know how you call that in English. I don't know. It's like
Junctions.
yes, sort of.
So what
In Spanish, it's distribuidor. So basically, the idea was I need to turn right.
Mm-hmm.
It was just one serious fault. I was to turn right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was the idea, and I didn't saw one of the cars when he was the oncoming vehicles.
Oh, you slowed one of them.
Exactly. So I literally was going to turn right without seeing the guy who was coming. That was my fault. So.
So did you agree that it was a fail? Yes.
Yeah.
Can you bribe them over there?
Of course you can.
Can you?
Well, not in the moment, but now you can. Well, of course you can.
So they give you a license?
No.
You give them some money?
I mean, to be fair, you don't need to right now in this moment. You don't need to present the test if you don't want to. If you know the right people,
yeah,
you just pay them and
do you?
Yeah, you just pay them and they give you the license. I don't know, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later.
Wow.
Oh my God.
You'd be even hotter when you go out on test.
Yeah.
You'd be sweating buckets when you come back. Do you want me to sit in the back of the car? Do you want me to sit at the
straight ahead, right?
Yeah, because I've never given instructions.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's gonna be worst. It's not gonna be worst. I don't know.
It's up to you. If you want us in the back, I can sit in the back.
Nah, no worries. No worries. I'll be fine.
Right, now, at the end of the test, in stage 1, you train a present. For the result, you must say yes. Okay? So when the test finishes, you say, right, Eduardo, that's the end of your driving test. Would you like to instruct the present while I give you the result?
Oh, right. If they ask for the instruction.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Right.
Okay, so I need to listen in case you've done a serious fault, yeah?
Okay. I literally, my plan is talk with myself in Spanish. That's it. So it's like counting the exits.
Take the next road to the right.
Counting the exits, all this stuff.
That's all good. Talk in English if you want. And you don't block them crossings.
Yeah. Yes.
That's what you're doing in Venezuela, wasn't it?
Almost.
Yeah. If you'd gone there, that was dodge.
And dodge means bad?
Yes.
But like as a serious fault?
If you'd slowed the car down, then yes.
Oh, if I didn't finish to...
If you went round the corner and the car had to brake for you...
Oh, okay, I know what you mean. Yeah. No, I know that,
We're turning right.
I told you, I don't know why I'm so nervous with this test.
I know.
Seriously.
It's something about the UK driving test that makes everyone nervous. You reverse park on the second car, not the first one.
After this Toyota.
The examiner will pull you in first.
Yeah.
Good observations. Wow, that's really good. Well done. Drive in when you're ready. Yeah. Really good, Eduardo. Very impressive driving skills you've got. I just hope they work when you get nervous. And just follow it around to the left. Reverse it into the middle one, look. Any one of these.
The one of these.
Now when you come in here, go in first gear when you come in here.
Yeah. My God.
No, that's it. Right. Have you any questions before we go in?
Want me to
turn it off, yeah. Anything you're not sure about?
No, actually, I was going to ask you about this because
12 o'clock point of one
okay.
left.
All right.
No
has to be literally like
2s, 3s,
yeah,
4s.
right.
Yeah,
all right.
then your class is right. So if you're going straight ahead, you don't put a signal on for right.
Yeah.
What were your questions about them?
No, before you came to pick me up, I was thinking about this. Like I didn't check. I know, of course, I know the signs, but I didn't check where was it.
So
on
you
the
know
car.
now, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Just there's one thing you would have gotten wrong for the deer.
Okay.
What was it?
I don't know.
Right. It was on that narrow country road. Look.
Oh, the one with the bus.
Yeah. I'm
right.
going to be honest with you. Your position.
Yeah.
Was perfect. But it was just really, really tight. You know, it wasn't.
Yeah.
So going round, yeah, inch perfect, but it was just far too fast with the bus. If anything could have happened there.
Okay, so it have the position was right, but the speed was too high.
Fast.
All right.
As soon as you seen the bus over here,
I brake a little bit.
you should brake, check mirror and brake a little bit.
Okay.
Agree? Yeah?
Okay.
But I kind of fault the position because it had to be inch perfect, or it might have been hitting the curb or hitting the bus, so it was inch perfect. But it was just too fast.
All right.
But on the country roads a day, when it opens up, check mirrors and speed up. Have you got that? And that junction where you can't see, look.
Yeah, I just started doing it after you told me that.
Don't do it. You kind of sit back and. Yeah.
That happens when you're nervous. You know, like your body is like a mummy. I don't know.
Right.
It's like a statue.
It's time to wish Eduardo the very best of luck. He's very skillful and he can pass, but he hasn't had many driving lessons. How many hours have you had?
How many hours? 5?
5 hours or 6 hours?
No, 5 with 2 days. I think so. Yeah, 5 or 6.
6 hours. Yeah. That's all he's had. Jesus. If I went to Venezuela to do my test, I think I'd have about 20 odd hours to see what the roads are like. Right, do you think you're going to pass them?
I do. I don't think I'm going to pass them.
Good, right. Well, let's go and see the examiner.
My driver license, this is not the right address because I literally moved out, you remember, like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
So...
You'll have to send it off.
Yeah, he told me I have to send it, but like with this, and that's it, right?
Yeah. Fill it in.
Yeah, he told me it's better if I can do like a copy for this, so I will first.
Yeah, but which dress are you going to put on?
The one that I'm living right now.
Right. Well, get set up, don't forget.
No, I will do it today.
We're back off test with Eduardo. Eduardo, tell them what you've done.
I passed, baby. Look at this.
How many minors?
3? 3 minus.
What were the 4?
I can't remember. I'm too happy for that.
He was driving too slow.
Oh yeah, he was driving too slow
And he come to a roundabout.
Yeah.
He started emerging and then looked. Can you remember?
Yeah.
So you were very lucky there. What was the driving examiner like?
He was really nice. He was.
Yeah. He's one of the chief examiners in.
All right. Seriously.
Yeah, he's one of the chiefs.
Okay. No, he was really nice.
Overtime and on a weekend.
All right. No, he made the test comfortable. You know, like
did
more.
He?
Yeah.
What maneuver did you do?
We didn't do the stop. We never do the stop, by the way.
It's only done one every 3 tests.
Oh, right. No, we did the manual. How is the name? The parallel parking. Yeah.
Oh, you're really good at that, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
I bet he was impressed with that, was he?
Well, he didn't say nothing, but yeah, I guess.
Yeah, he's really good at that. Better than me. He can do better than me. So, did you find it hard then, or was it easy?
No, to be fair, I think he's the nervous, you know. But after at least with him, he was really conversative. He was talking a lot with me.
Yeah.
So that makes me feel like, I don't know.
Not like my mock test.
Yeah, more chill. Yeah, that's exactly not like your mock test. So no, what's fine.
Well done, Eduardo.
Thank you.
Well done. First time 3 minus. Get it. Good drive.
I told you, trust me.
Oh why do you not put your foot down a bit? I says when the roads open up.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know. I was just going for the quiet thing, you know, like be chill, drive, not too fast, not too slow. So I was around 40 all the time.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I could be like 45 sometimes, but I don't know. I just rather be.
Oh, well done, Eduardo. Well done.
God, I was sweaty.
Were you sweating a lot, were you?
Yeah.
Good. You should put the aircon on.
Do you truly believe I was gonna think on the aircon?
What questions did you get?
About the horn.
Yeah.
And he asked me about the tires, the tread depth of the tires.
Did he understand you?
Yeah, I did.
Because I didn't understand you.
I literally said 1.6 millimeters and across the tire, and that's it. Well, no, he how was the name? I said tire gauge. I don't know. I pronounced about the wrong word. And he started laughing, and then no, it's gauge. I don't know. It's hard to pronounce. I was like, yeah, don't worry, that's fine. If you get it, that's fine.
Oh, good stuff. Get it.
My plan wasn't talk with no one. I was literally counting the axes in Spanish.
Yeah.
All this stuff. I was fine, but I don't know. Then he started talking with me, and was nice.
Good. Yeah, nice guy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Really nice. He said it was a nice drive, didn't he?
Yes, of
He
course.
said it was a nice drive, 3 minus.
To be fair, I didn't expect it to be minus. I thought it would be perfect.
Did you?
Seriously, I was confident. Like I don't know, I feel like I drive really well.
Yeah.
I drive really well, so that's why. But 3 minors is alright. It's not bad.
It's nothing to be ashamed of.
Yeah.
No, you've drove really well because he's told you.